And that's a problem for me. It really is.
Say book one more time.
It's the Screenplay to Novel podcast with Mark Reynolds and Tom Swain.
Welcome to the Screenplay to Novel podcast. It's where we discuss converting a screenplay into a book. If you want to get in touch with us, you can. Text us at 202-670-8497 or email us at s2n@usa.com.
Okay.
Now, we've mentioned using KDP, Kindle Direct Publishing, to publish a novel.
It's good. It's
to
good.
self-publish, and how easy it is to edit and republish as many times as you want to.
It's not good. That part's not good.
So traditional publishing, once it's out there, it's out there, right? That's it.
You're
Regrets,
screwed.
mistakes, they're printed.
It's out there,
And,
man.
and you had to live with it. And many traditionally published books have many mistakes.
Yes.
A comma where a period should have been. Messed up dialogue tag. Wording you wish you had changed. Echoes the use of the same word
The same
repeatedly.
word over and over again.
Or close together.
Yeah.
Okay? All these things are in every single published book.
Right.
But you see, KDP allows you to go in and change things at will. And that's a problem for me. It really is. So one of the biggest surprises of self-publishing is how easy it is to make changes.
Yeah.
It's crazy. And
It's a problem.
you know what? It's both a gift and a trap. At least for me. I've already done a redo, and I just did. Is this my second round
Oh, my Lord.
or third round? And
Third. It would be your third.
it is my third round. Wow.
And one of the changes I agree with.
Yeah, you did. You did. It was a continuity issue.
Yes.
That we never caught.
Nobody caught it.
Nobody. And the people that I have asked to read it as it was,
They're like,
hey,
oh,
like, yeah, no
that's
big
fine.
deal. I'm good with
What's
it.
wrong?
I'm like, you're good with it. Well, I don't care about that. It's me and how I sleep at night.
That's right.
But what's happening is I'm reading my own book as a line editor and
Yeah.
not a reader. And that is a big problem. So the things I'm cringing about are things that a regular reader would probably not trip over at all. So that's
Never
a problem.
noticed it.
Yeah. But the temptation to tinker is
Yeah.
always in the back of my mind.
I would say 90% of authors' minds
You
are
think?
there. Yeah.
I don't know.
I would think so. Good Lord. If movies could be edited like this, we would
Ooh.
have like 20 versions of Star Wars because George Lucas is like, change this. No, I don't want that anymore. I want this.
That's a good point, I guess.
God.
But that's not me. We're talking about my mental problems.
I think you're freaking done.
I am done.
You're a published author now.
But here's why the temptation is so strong, okay?
Yeah.
So you finally see the book in print, and suddenly these flaws jump out. So you reread passages and you think, I could make that better, right? You notice a typo, then another, and something stylistic. Because you can fix it, you start wondering if you should fix it.
Right.
See? And the
It's old
danger.
Jurassic Park thing.
Right, exactly.
Preoccupied with whether or not they could, they didn't stop to think if they should.
But I think the problem is when you were initially publishing it, you were like, I want this out there now. Let's
Right.
publish it now.
Well, it was my first book.
Yes.
So I'm not
of
going to
course,
deny. I was excited.
You're very excited. So you
So I
just
published
pushed
it. Here's how I did it. Here was my workflow. My stupid workflow. I went in and I did the book, and then I took the book and I published the book.
Say book one more time.
And then you know what I did?
What did you do?
I ordered a proof copy.
Yeah.
And then I read the proof copy, proof being the key word. And I'm like,
Oh, crap.
oh, wait, it's already published.
It's out there, man.
But here's the danger of endless tweaking. A book can become never finished.
Right.
It's only temporarily published in your mind.
Mm-hmm.
And you risk chasing perfection instead of letting the work just live.
Yeah. I mean, it's like that with every art form. I've heard of Van Gogh looking at paintings of things that he's done and literally going crazy, wanting to change shit as it's hanging there.
I feel his pain.
Well, he didn't end very good for him, so.
I'm all for it. I'm good with that.
How dare
But
you?
small changes, they can snowball into
Yeah.
unnecessary rewrites. That's where I'm at. Okay.
I think you're done.
Yeah. At some point, you're
just
no
gonna-
longer
You're gonna
improving.
drive me crazy.
Right? You're feeding anxiety.
Right.
And that's what I'm doing.
Now you're moving on to the next book.
Right. There's a difference between fixing mistakes and second guessing yourself.
Right.
So the real problems versus cosmetic ones, the things that are worth fixing.
Yeah.
Typos, formatting errors, missing words.
Flow was very good.
Yeah.
It's a good catch.
Actual clarity issues. That. Mechanical mistakes
Mhm.
that might distract readers. Now, I know that that's not happening in any of my versions.
Yeah.
There's no
because
distractions.
People did not get distracted by anything.
But the things that are probably not worth fixing are stylistic second thoughts,
Right.
right? Minor wording changes that really don't affect the understanding of the story.
Correct.
And another thing that bothers me that I always want to change is a line that I've simply grown tired of.
Mm,
You know, and that
right.
can happen when you're rereading and rereading your own
It
work.
might be perfectly fine,
Right.
but you're just tired of it.
Exactly. Now, many famous authors never read their own book after it's published.
Right.
They just don't.
That's good advice.
Yeah. But I don't know. I don't know. Now, someone might already own your book and you've
Uh-huh.
made all these changes,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So constant changes, it can create version confusion.
True.
And I think I'm bordering on that if I haven't already gone over the edge.
Well, you've got the director's cut out there right now.
That's true.
Stop.
I'm going to stop.
Okay.
At some point, the book just needs to stand on its own, right?
Right.
Flaws and all of it,
Yes.
you know, put it out there. All the blemishes,
It's artwork.
right? Readers, they're not looking for perfection.
Mm-hmm.
They're looking for a story that works.
A compelling
Right.
story that they like.
And there's a psychological side to it too, really. The ability to revise forever
Mhm.
can just keep you from moving on to the next thing.
Exactly.
And that's where I'm at.
Where you are now. What? You said 3,000 words into your next
Yeah.
novel.
Yeah.
So
But I have just stopped.
Yeah.
On the
Just-
second one.
it's done.
Finishing, truly finishing, is part of being a writer.
Yeah.
So keep that in mind. Letting go is very uncomfortable,
Mm-hmm.
but it is absolutely necessary.
Just to move on to the next work.
If you keep fixing the same book, you're not writing. You're just circling and circling and circling.
And
And
that's
that's where
true.
I'm at.
That's true with screenplays.
Absolutely.
Oh, my Lord. People work, 10, 15, 20 years on one screenplay and never get it done.
Mhm. I did 7
Yes.
quickly. That's why they're all so bad.
Ah.
Now, here's a very healthy rule of thumb that I need to adhere to, okay? Do a short post-publication window for critical fixes.
Mhm.
So give yourself some room. After that, close the file unless there's a real problem.
Glaring
Yeah.
issue. Yeah.
And then save the lessons you've learned for the next book. And I was just talking
now
about
you're
that.
into it. Yeah.
I'm telling you. Self-publishing gives you freedom,
Unfortunately.
right?
And fortunately.
But freedom, now listen to this, everyone.
Uh-oh.
This is monumentally important. Freedom requires discipline.
Yeah.
Huh? Put that on a coffee cup. Weird,
I
but
like it. Is that in the Constitution somewhere?
at some point you have to say this book is done. It's not perfect,
Yeah.
but done, and then you move forward, right?
Right.
And by the way, self-publishing used to be like a real like, ooh,
Right. It
but
was
not
like,
anymore.
ugh.
So that's good, right? But it can you just have to let it go.
I don't know what the percentage is now, but it's got to be way up there now.
Yeah, get more money.
Yeah.
But anyway, I'm going through that now, and I really need to have a stopping point.
Mhm. Yeah.
And this is our
Yeah.
stopping point.
I-oh.
Okay, text us at 202-670-8497, or you can email us at s2n@usa.com. Have a good one.
Bye.
Bye, Z's.